Hi guys, it's Minions Andre, and today we are going to be taking a look at the really exciting new Happy Meal toys of 2024, which is Despicable Me 4. So we have 12 cute and silly toys, so we have Minions here, and all of them are Minions, which I'm so happy. And we have 4 groups. We got Pit Crew, AVL, Cute, Regular, and Mega. Let's start with the regular, and then we'll save the best for last, the Mega. So first we have Ron and Ralph. Ron is the 2 eyes. And the cool feature of this, you can mix and match the parts, so I'll not do here because I'll get confused. And we are gonna take 5 years of bringing them all back. But I'll show you for this first one. It's actually technically 14 toys because there's a variant of Ron with a different hand pose, and AVL Dave, which is a variant too, but yeah, those are minor. So that's Ralph and Ron, and these two are new Minions, I think, in the movie. Next one, we have the baby AVL ones, which are like pit crew, like pilot. We have Dave and Jerry. Now, I really don't know why they made Jerry a one-eyed minion, and he's supposed to look like this right here, like a plump two-eyed minion, but they made him a one-eyed minion. And yeah, I got confused. I thought he looked like Carl, and Carl isn't even in the set. Elimination, you're so inconsistent. So yeah, I'll not show the mix and match. Actually, you know what? Let's just show it just for you guys. Not too noticeable either. This is probably the best set of this year so far, out of all of them. We had some pretty good sets this year. Obviously, the first two were kind of like absolute or awful, but after that, everything went from good to really good. So our third set is the pit crew, or the construction workers, or the mechanics. So whatever you want to say. Okay, these are confusing because there's 3 of them. This one is Ralph. This one is Phil. No, this is Ron. This one is Phil. So let's start with Ralph, one-eyed. Then the hats can be removed, and you can put them on others. Let's try it. Let's put it on you, Jerry, or Carl, or no, this is Dave. There, he looks good. So now let's mix and match them. I'm gonna do it all of them just for you guys. I mean, it's not personal for me to enjoy, but you get to watch me suffer from getting confused of all of these. Crew Ron, Pit Crew Ralph, and Pit Crew Phil. The 3 cutie minions that want to fix your car but really want to smash it. Now let's move on to the best ones, which are like, this is like the Furious 5 right here. We got the Mega Minions. We got 5 here. 2, 3, 5. We got, these are my cool names, sir. We got Stretchy Tim. He's like Elastic Man. He can stretch, but I'm so disappointed with that figure because they made him like, Tim is like supposed to be like a taller minion, but they're lazy. He's kind of like, Elastic Man. Next, we got Super Gus, because he's like Superman or Iron Man, because he has a cape, he can fly. Then we got the Plump, or Jerry, because he's plump and he's got a big head. He's like the Thing from the Fantastic Four. He's like a Rock or Hulk, whatever. Then we got Incredible Dave. He's like the Hulk or a wrestler. And then we got the Buzz Light or Mel, because he has a light in his eyes. He's a laser. It's kind of like superhero can shoot lasers. So now, yeah, Superman too. So there, that's all of them. So I'll give this set overall a, this is difficult. They got the quality good. the plastic, the expressions look good. I like Minions. So overall, 8 out of 10. And this is probably, I would probably like the weakest. It's not the worst. It's the weakest out of all the Minion sets they've come out, because over the years they have come out with so many good toys for Minions. So let's rank them here. Just a quick rank, because there's 4. No, it's 4, right? No, 5 already, because we have Despicable Me 2. 5th place, these. 4th place, probably the 2015 Minions movie. 3rd, the Despicable Me 3. 2, the Despicable Me 2 ones, the talking ones, which is my favorite. 1 is the Minions, the Rise of Gru set last year. They were amazing. Dragons, grabbers, cars, and jackhammers, flying wigs. You have it all. I wish like they did like you have like a button on the back and then you can move this. No. Or this would be cool if it's like lit up, but no. So if you want to fight me in the comments that I just gave it an 8 out of 10, you can fight me. You have the right to be, but whatever. So let's move on to our shoutouts. So first shoutout to Mama and Dada and Ate. Thank you for supporting me always and getting the first 6 stars. And then a big shoutout to Boss Tito Robert and his lovely wife, Ma'am Leonora Punsalan. Thank you for buying 7 to 12, and you, after Dada chatted you, he chatted you, and then you said yes already. You said yes agad, and you bought 7 to 12, and you even put tape on the box. But that's okay. Thank you so much to you, Mr. and Mrs. Punsalan. So, and shout out to Lolo and Lola. I hope you have debt free and a long happy life, and you all always have money every day to buy your food and savings, and not savings, clothes there. And shout out to all my subscribers, all the pops, my family, all of the Frontarians or the people in Frontera, our village, especially to my tropas, Boss Louie, Taweng, and etc. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel. I don't know how many subscribers we have, probably 1,000 something, or maybe even 2,000, I haven't checked, but whatever. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you really enjoy. What will you think of this, and will you buy this now or just dump it in the trash because it's absolute trash? Probably no one will do that because it's Minions, unless you really hate the Minions, which I kind of hate the Minions, because sometimes I really love them, sometimes I hate them because they're annoying sometimes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoy. Make sure to subscribe if you hadn't already, where you got to watch me suffer for over 15 minutes just me mixing and matching all the Minions parts and breaking them limb by limb. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye guys!